Hi everyone, welcome back to Windows Wednesday with Bob's Computer Service. I'm Bob, and today I'll show you a quick and easy way to customize your taskbar by pinning your favorite apps. Let's dive on in. The taskbar is your go-to spot for accessing your most used apps quickly. Pinning apps to it keeps them in just one click away, saving you time and effort. Okay, here's how we do it. We just click on the Start button, and whatever app that you want to pin to the taskbar, you're just going to right click and hit Pin to Taskbar. And then you can see that it's right down here already pinned. If you have the app open and you want to pin something that you're working in, you'll just right click it and click Pin to Taskbar. And say you've made a mistake and you want to undo a pin, you're just going to right click and hit Unpin from Taskbar. You can also move around the pins as you want, so they can be in any order that you like. And that's it, a simple way to make your taskbar work better for you. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips every Windows Wednesday. Need help with your computer? Contact Bob's Computer Service, your local IT expert in Western Massachusetts. See you next time.